What? Who is it? Oh, hi, come on in. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Dunn's Forge. Brought to you by me. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna, pretty much this video today is gonna be kind of a, would it be, a recap on pretty much what I've been doing the last month. Since the last video we put out was forging a blacksmith knife, which is, I'm kind of all over the place, which is this knife. I went ahead and heat treated it, tempered it, and got it ground, and I'm gonna do a little leather sheath about that. So right after this video here in the next couple of days, I'll also have the video up of making the sheath for it. And we'll talk about the other knife, the Marine Corps giveaway knife and Veterans Day knife. I'll also be doing the leather sheath for that and be doing a video for that as well. So remember, if y'all are still interested in that giveaway, I'm gonna make a post here on Friday, which will be the 30th, right? 30th or 31st? One of those days, my days blend together. Anyways, I'm gonna do a post here on Friday, so that way if you wanna still get onto the giveaway list, it's completely free, then that'll be your chance. So November 11th, we'll be drawing for that. So anyways, talk about a couple weeks ago, I was in California for about 2.5 weeks, and I went out there for one of my buddies named Zach Stengel. Me and him served together in the Marine Corps. We were in Sangan together. You know, part of the Sangan Valley Gun Club there with 3-5 3rd Battalion 5th Marines out of Camp Pendleton. So anyways, he started up a construction company a couple years ago called Veteran Builders, and he asked me about 4 or 5 months ago if I was interested in coming down and doing a welding project for him. So that's what I did. So here I'm gonna have a little clip of a couple days that I did a little bit of shooting with my phone, and then the final project for what I was able to complete. And then later on, I'll have more clips of what it completely looks like after everybody else is done with it. So here it is. All right, y'all, give y'all a quick little update. I'm out here somewhere in Nebraska, about Midwest, I don't fucking know. Anyways, been driving for a bit, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but there's a fire not too far away from me. What the hell they yelling at? But anyways, there's a fire not too far away from me. Yeah, it's been smoky for the last hour or so, but hopefully I don't run into it. And yeah, keep y'all informed. All right now. Good morning, everybody. All right, it's Monday. I'm here in San Clemente, California. This is why I hired a person to do my filming, because I suck at it. But anyways, here I am joined with a brother of mine, Lucas Smith.
Hey, how's it going?
3-5 Marine?
2-5.
2-5 Marine. Yeah, you know.
Same thing, same difference.
It is what it is. But 2-5 Marine, he's a boot, but you know, he's a boot, but he definitely spent his time, earned his stripes, and now we're doing some construction. So we're putting up this steel stairway. And this has been, what, a very horrible ongoing project, huh?
Oh, it's been terrible. The city's been screwing us left and right. It's been pushed back about 6 months now. So. Yeah. Welcome to California. Woo! This is why I live in South Dakota. But anyways, I haven't been here in 8 years, so. But yeah, we're gonna get this sucker going. Hopefully concrete tomorrow for the footings. And yeah, you know, hopefully we'll get her up and running by Friday so I can get out of here Saturday and head on my girls. But other than that, this is gonna be fun. All right, y'all. Here it is. So this is all done.
Everything that I can do, it still needs to get concrete in the treads, grout on the bottom of the columns, painted, and then a cable ran through. Other than that, she's all done. So treads, handrails, all done. So looking pretty good. Handrails work good. Everything's spick and span. And then obviously that's got to get demoed out. That's got to get demoed out to make doors. Then you got to put railing up on the side, but somebody else is going to have to do that. And then all the cable. Other than that, she's done. All right, so I'm gonna explain a little bit about the Cali job. So it's a residential that they did a little upgrade to it, right? As you see in that video clip, I pretty much prefabbed the whole entire staircase out of galvanized steel all on site with the top railing. They still got to put in the stainless steel wire between the posts, the concrete in the treads, paint the whole thing, and then the finish on the add-on to the house. So, and if you like that, I'm going to show some other clips and videos, pictures about what I've done the last couple weeks. So here it is. Hey, do you need a Christmas gift? Are you a hunter? Or are you married to a hunter? Family with a hunter? Or do you just like to carry knives? EDC carry? Well, I got a treat for you today. See, here at Dunn's Forge and King Skull Metalworks, we've got these awesome sting knives. Currently, we got 56. We already got quite a bit sold. Pre-sale right now for $200, free shipping, just pay tax. They'll be get shipped to your door before Christmas. After that, there'll be $225 plus shipping with limited choices. Right now you get Cerakote, handle, and Kydex color options. There's 5 different colors to choose from. Pretty awesome. Veteran owned, veteran operated. If you want to help support us, buy a knife. Somebody will thank you. All right now. Hey y'all, it's Thomas Dunn at Dunn's Forge. Here I am. Just heat treated my first of the 56 ADCR V2 collab knife called Sting. And I had a warp. So first time ever using ADCR V2, first time ever heat treating it. I did normalize it 3 times. I think I tempered it because my oven is cheap and you know, it is what it is. But I had a little warp. And I tried to fix it, and I knew I was going to break it. But I'm like, hey, I got 56, got an extra one. So I'm going to test it, see how it is. First time ADCR V2. And if y'all can see, the grain structure on that is ridiculous. It is thick. It is not good. I must have overheated it. I must have messed this one up. So what I did was I decided to take 3 pieces of ADCR V2, which is out of that right here. So what I did is I normalized this one time and then heat treated it and then broke it. And as you see, the grain structure is similar to this. Right? So a good 3 times normalized and heat treated grain structure should look like that. Nice. This was an old knife that I messed up on and I wanted to test it. That should be a good grain structure. So this was normalized 1 time, see if we can focus, heat treated and then snapped. So I pretty much put it in the vise and broke it. This is normalized twice, heat treated, and then brake test. And this is normalized 3 times, heat treated, and then brake test. See if it'll focus. Come on, there it goes. So, as you can see, that looks better. That's the way it should look. Now, these aren't tempered, obviously, and this knife was, but still, that is very thick. Come on, focus. See how bad that is? Now, if we compare to all 3, see if I can do this with one hand. Come on, focus. And as you can see, the one on my right by my thumb is the one that got overheated or something wrong with it. Then the one closest to that is normalized once and heat treated, normalized twice and heat treated, normalized 3 times and heat treated. And as you see, the grain structure gets more and more refined, which the closer it is, the tighter the grain structure, the more even, the stronger the metal is. The bigger the grain structure and the less even, the weaker the metal is. So, even with 6 years experience, and I've done a lot of 1095 blades. I haven't really done a whole, like I said, this is my first ADCR V2. Even with 6 years of experience, and I've done a lot of 1095, 5160, mainly 1095. I love 1095. But it's always important when you get a new steel, or you know, every dozen knife or every dozen whatever it is that you're heat treating, always to do a destructive test to make sure that you're still doing good. Because I'm running a propane forge, I'm running a cheap Walmart toaster oven, so you know it's not 100% accurate. If I had an even heat or a Paragon, something that I could control the temperature and do the appropriate normalizing cycles, the appropriate heat treating cycles. I mean, you know, just down to the science, down to the T, you know. But working with what you got, and like I said, I've been doing this 6 years. 1095, I'm pretty damn good with it. I don't really need to do mag test on it. I don't really need to do too much on it. I mean, I'm gotten pretty proficient with it. But ADCR V2, being brand new to me, first time heat treating it, I'm glad I caught this because I had a warp. I tried to fix it, broke it, and that was gonna be my knife, but hey, I got plenty more. And I decided, I was like, wow, look at that grain. I was like, that's not how it's supposed to look. And I said, well, let me take the time, test 3 pieces, do a destructive test, and see what I got to make sure I'm doing things correctly. Which, on that 3rd one, it's not perfect, but it looks like it should. It looks damn near like it should, I should say. So remember, stay humble, stay hungry. Boom. So now that you've seen what I did in Cali, now that you've seen what I've been doing the last couple weeks, now I want to talk about what lies ahead in the future. So here at Dunn's Forge, we partnered up with King Skull Metalworks, which is another veteran-owned organization out of Garretson, South Dakota. I can't remember if I talked about this in the other videos. Might have. But anyways, we've got the collab that we worked on for about a month or so, made a prototype, he tested out, and then we decided to finally execute. So we got 1 sheet of steel, and we got 55 of these blanks made. So this is a mid-tech, it's not a forge knife, but it's mid-tech. The only thing the machine does is just cut it out. I'm still doing all the grinding, heat treat tempering, and then he's doing the Cerakoting and laser engraving and we're gonna have collapsible or removable handle scales with black Cody tan or multicam gray Cerakote, 5 different choice of handle material, 5 different choice of Kydex sheath material. So right now until the 1st, and I know I've been busy, I haven't been recording because I suck at recording, but the 1st is the last day for the pre-sales. Right now they're $200 with your choice of the Cerakote, the handle material, or the Kydex. It's free shipping, you got to pay for tax. And then after the 1st, they're going to go to $225 with as is, whatever choice we decide to put Cerakote, the handle material, and the Kydex. We're going to have the remainder out of what's not already sold. And those will be dropping on Black Friday. And we'll have a sale on the Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, and Cyber Monday. So, and then whatever we have left, then they'll go back to regular price, all this good stuff, yada, yada. If these all sell before December 1st, we plan on making another small batch of these. We also have a couple other knives that we're thinking about doing, maybe some like ice pick style defense pins, maybe a camp axe, a few other stuff. So we are pretty much trying to do as much collabs and much small batch runs as possible to bring you, the consumer, an amazing product, handmade here in America, to veteran-owned companies. And also too, the great thing about what we're doing is being veterans, we give back to the veteran community. We are giving 10% of all proceeds are going to the Semper Fi Fund. On the next batch, we might do something different. We're also talking about doing another local here for the Pause for Cause, which is service dogs to veterans and first responders that are either PTSD, disabled, whatever the case is. So if you would like to help support 2 veteran-owned companies, help get American products, American material, forged in American blood, sweat, and tears, then please go to www.dunnsforge.com right here and check it out. Pre-sale ends Monday or on Sunday at midnight, and then the rest will be dropped on Black Friday. You follow me on Facebook or Instagram. You can follow me on Facebook at Dunn's Forge, or on Instagram at Duns_Forge. And obviously my website, obviously my YouTube. If there's something you're interested into, maybe something you would like to see, like a certain type of knife, leave a comment down below. You know, and also I've been watching Chud's Barbecue. Leave a comment down below. Yeah, I stole that from him. Hey, it's all good. So other than that, follow me, hit that like, subscribe button if you're new. If you're not new, stay tuned for what else we got going on down the road. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram. Follow my main man, Brandon Harberts over here at Harberts Media or Harberts Health on Facebook, Instagram. And you also got like, what, 5 YouTube channels? Like, holy cow, this guy right here. But anyways, and then follow my business partner, King Skull Metalworks on Facebook. He does have an Instagram, but it's like a few pictures. He has a really awesome product that we can't wait to bring to the YouTube community with the AR-500 targets, fire pits, signs, and also too, it's getting cold outside, right? We got these badass, American-made custom fire pits that are collapsible, so there's no weld needed, or we'll weld them. We've got over 80 auto designs. We've got a couple dozen like rifle, pistol, and American flag designs. He does all kinds of crazy stuff. I will add a few pictures towards the end of this, so I'll add a couple of each just so y'all can see it. Otherwise, if you got any questions, hit me up, let me know. Peace!